Alright, this is our DiceRoller app. We have the custom launcher icon here. And we have our roll button, our clock, and our overflow. You click on the clock, you have your different lengths. Well, it's a short amount of time. And then your medium, and long. Alright, if you roll and then click the X, it does stop the roll. However, the clock does not pop back up, so we will have to go back and reopen it just so it comes back up for us so we can do the rest. The overflow does have the 1, 2, 3, right now only 3 dice. There is room for 4 and 5. And if we go to the choose color, it takes us here where we can select any of these. And you can choose one of these colors. And then we have the up button that takes us back to the home screen. Then we have the about, the banner, the picture, and created on by Philip Parks. And the up navigate going back to the home page once again. And before I forget, I did forget, the long click does bring up add 1, so it adds to the dice, or you can subtract 1, and reroll. It does do the reroll for all of them. I have to figure out how to get it down for just one. And that is the DiceRoller app so far.